What are the materials used for 3D printing? 3D printing is flexible to allow manufacturers to determine the shape, texture, and strength of a product. Let's identify them. Plastic is the most common and diverse material used for 3D printed toys and household fixtures. Globally, its market size was valued at $638.7 million in 2020. Plastic products are generally made with FDM printers, where thermoplastic filaments are melted and molded into shape, layer by layer. The types of plastic used in this process are usually made from one of the following materials. Powder. Inside the printer, the powder is melted and distributed in layers until the desired thickness, texture, and patterns are made. Usually the powders come from polyamide, polyamide, alumide. Resins is the most less used materials, offering limited flexibility and strength, reaches its end state with exposure to UV light. The material comes in high detail, paintable, and transparent resin. Metal. Second most popular material. Used through direct metal laser sintering. Metals used to the DMLS technique. Stainless steel. Ideal for printing out items that could come into contact with water. Bronze. Used for vases and other fixtures. Gold. Used for printed jewelers. Nickel, suitable for the printing of coins, and aluminum, ideal for thin metal objects. Carbon fiber is used as a top coat over plastic materials as to make it stronger. In the future is expected to replace the much slower process of carbon fiber layup. Graphite and graphene. Ideal for device parts that need to be flexible, such as touch screens. Is also used for solar panels and building parts. Proponents of the graphene option claim it is one of the most flexible 3D applicable materials. Wood-based filaments. Combine a PLA-based material with powdered wood derivatives. Typically, the filament consists of around 30% wood particles. High-impact polystyrene is a dissolvable support material commonly used with ABS. When being used as a support material can be dissolved in D-limonene, leaving your print free of any markings caused by support removal. PETG, glycol-modified version of polyethylene terephthalate. Commonly used to manufacture water bottles. Has a good impact resistance, but it has a slightly softer surface which makes it prone to wear. The material benefits from great thermal characteristics, allowing the plastic to cool efficiently. Choosing the right type of material to print a given object is becoming increasingly difficult, as radically new materials emerge. Historically in FDM 3D printing, PLA and ABS have been the two main polymers used, but there should not be any major roadblocks for other polymers to play a key role in the future of FDM. Hey, don't forget to subscribe, like, and follow our page. Goodbye.